Welcome to my nightmare. I think I lost count at about 80 boxes, and that's just what I can see. So, kitchen, dining, a cafe bar / coffee bar. After all of this, a tequila bar. Laundry, bathroom, and 3-bedroom in one whole container. Where do you even start? I think what terrifies me most about building a full 3-bedroom home out of flat pack is all of these boxes here are hardware. Dowels, hinges, openers, screws, like this. And what terrifies me the most is, first of all, that's all in Chinese, but that's not an instruction. I have not seen any instructions. So like, look at this. For one section of the house, one little bit of cabinet. What am I gonna do? What are even these? Oh, send me help.